Everyone, welcome back. All right, so today I don't know. I have to kick it off. Some moringa seed. Yeah, all right, here we go. Hey, Caroline, what's up? Yeah. All right. Seven years. I mean, I've been doing sports like from, like from primary, but like working out. I've been working out for 7 years. 7 years now, straight. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for checking in, man. Thank you guys for checking in. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Come on. All right. Smash that thumbs up button as you join Turkey. Go to Turkey maybe one day, man. Hopefully one day. Alright, so this is over 90 pounds, guys. If, just in case you don't know, let's get it. Up. Up. Alright guys, smash that thumbs up button, alright? Want to support the channel? Smash that thumbs up button, alright? Yeah. Smash that thumbs up button, alright? Okay. Kicking things off. 10 set. That's two already. All right. Caroline, leave um comments. All right, for this one. Appreciate you. All right. So let's get it. Anyone want to shout out? Or you want to support? Hit that super chat. All right. Link in the description if you want to become a member. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Smash that thumbs up. If you're just joining, this is over 90 pounds. And we're going straight up to 10 sets. Ah, yeah. UK. London, England in the building, all right? See you. All right, so Caroline, you're free to remove when you see them, all right? Forgot it's not timeout, it's remove. So yeah, whenever you see them, you just do what you do. Just remove them. Yeah. Let's get it. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get it. right, that's 5 set. We got 5 more sets to go, chat. Yeah, yeah. 1 set. Oh, yeah. Appreciate y'all joining. Smash that thumbs up. If you want a shout out, hit that super chat. You want to show your support, hit that super chat. Let's get it. You're fresh, subscribe. Want to become a member, gain access to some Jamaican culture content. Link in the description. Become a member today. Yeah. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you don't got a membership to a gym, there's no excuse, guys. Still can get it. You can get it anywhere, man. You don't got no homemade weights, still you can get it. Still you can get it, guys. Telling you. Smash that thumbs up button and let's get this. Hit that super chat if you want a shout out. If you want to support, hit that super chat. Let's get it. If you want to make special requests, if you want me to do a specific number of push-ups, pull-ups, whatever, hit that super chat, make a request. It's all you. Let's get it. This is over 90 pounds if you're just joining. I like to make my viewers be aware. Yep. Oh, let's get it. Up. Say less, man. All right, respect. W for David, man. Respect, David. Thank you, man. Nick, design was good. Yeah. David, respect, man. All right, say less. Yep. Let's get it. Now we do 11-11. We're just joining. This is over 90 pounds. 11-11 each. You want to shout out, hit that super chat. You want to show your show love, hit that super chat, man. Let's get it. One off. Yeah. Natural, baby, natural. Natural, that's how it is. Oh. You. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. You want to get a shout out, hit that super chat. Let's get it. Yo, we lost a lot of weight, chat. All of my live viewers and subscribers, I think you guys already noticed, right? So we got down from 5 to 4 meals a day to 1, sometimes 2. Different discipline. And we're still getting it. We're still getting it, man. So come on, guys. What's your excuse? Sitting down at home still on your couch, talking about, yeah, you're gonna start working out tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. What about now? Start right now. Let's get it. What's your excuse? Let's get it. Yeah. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. Stay motivated. Daily streams, daily uploads. Link in the description. Become a member today if you want. If you're interested. If you respect the movement. If you want to support the movement. Want to get a shout out? Hit that super chat. Yeah. Let's get it. Bustin', what's good, bro? That's good, homie. What's good? Let's get it. We're almost at 10 sets. Let's keep working, Chad. Come on. Oh, God. You guys joining. That's over 100 pounds right there. Yeah, man. What's holding you back, man? Why, your friends? Pure drinking and smoking? I guess you need to change your company then. Your friends should be pushing you while you're pushing yourself. So you gotta surround yourself with people that's gonna uplift you, man, and push you to the limit. Even when you're not okay with it, you need to surround yourself with people pushing you, man. That's how it is. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get this money. I think we got 2 more sets here, chat. For the 10 set, right? 2 more sets, I think. Let's get it. Oh. Yeah. Ah, God. Same time. Same time. Come on. One more set remaining, chat. Yeah. Hey, yo, Boston, where you from again? Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Let's get this money. Final set for the 10 cent. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Gotta get that breathing. Yeah. Even when it's burning, still pushing. Yeah. Smash that thumbs up and subscribe. Up, up. Yeah, chat. Yeah, so for real. We gotta keep moving, man. It's a daily effort. It's not a one-day thing. It's not a two-day thing. Or a week thing, or a month thing. Or a year thing, right? Consistent. Smash that thumbs up button. Hit that super chat if you want a shout out or you want to support. Yeah, let's get this, man. All right, so we'll kick things off. That was on 10 set. Crazy one right there. Thank you so much, Caroline. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Everyone, drop a W for Caroline. Appreciate it. Thank you. Definitely. That's how it is. It's my pleasure sharing the journey. It's my pleasure. I would have rather nothing else, to be honest. Oh. Sharing what I love to do with you guys. I wouldn't rather nothing else. Nothing less. All right, guys. Now it's time to do. So we're gonna do 50 pull-ups. Then we're gonna get back on to some push-up. All right, let's get it. Give me a sec. Put this together. One more. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, so if you guys want me to do a specific number, hit that super chat. Give me a number. All right, so how much pull-ups should I do first set? How much pull-ups first reps? $10? Nah, 20. 20 sounds good. Give me a number between 20 and 27 for the first set. Pull-ups. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. 25. All right, 25. Oh, thanks a lot, man. 4 muscle ups. The bar is not stable, man. The bar is not stable. I can't muscle up on this bar. I'm gonna be. The bar is not stable, man. Thank you so much, man. But I can't. The bar is not stable. I can't do muscle up. I'm gonna have to strap this bar. bar needs a straw. I'm gonna show you, say. I'm gonna show you. It's not sturdy, man. I can't do muscle ups on this. See? Whenever I go up, it's gonna spin. I don't want to hurt myself live on the stream. All right, so what I'm gonna do, one. All right, I'm gonna try to do one. If anything bad happens, it's on you. No, I'm not gonna try it, bro. It's too risky. Too risky. I'm not gonna try it. It's too risky, man. The bar is moving too much. All right. Come on, Cho. You're gonna have to give me a different challenge, man. Because should I do the 25? Move the blocks. Move the blocks for what? Oh my God, this guy. You're not serious, right? Nah, I'm not even gonna do that. But all right, should I just do the 25 pull-ups first set? Yo, Blaze, what's up? What's up? I see you, Blaze. What's up? How you doing? All right, 25 pull-ups. Let's get it. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. If you want a shout out, hit that super chat. If you want to support, hit that super chat. Yo, David, you're trolling right now, man. You're trolling too much right now. You want me to get a helmet? You want YouTube to lock down my channel? You're trolling too much, man. Hello from UK. Welcome, welcome. Bike helmet is here, man. I'm not doing too bad. You're an inspiration. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. All right, so if you want us to join, we're gonna do 50 reps pull-ups, and we already so that's 20 already. Let's keep going. Oh, David, It's just crazy, man. We can't do that muscle up on the bar, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to do some more work on it. All right, maybe tomorrow, hopefully. So I'm gonna try to do some work on it, try to get it stable, and do that muscle up. Cause we hold you that muscle up. So tomorrow we're gonna get the bar sturdy. All right, so that's 30. Guys, you got. Let's get it. That's 36. $38. Yo. Let's get it. Eight more. 8 more for the 50. Yo, yeah. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Yeah. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new. You already know. Hey, Blaze, you're gonna have to, if you see me online, busy, but if you see me online, that's when you can link me up, but I've been busy. Don't really get, a few days ago, I played Battlefield a few times, but you have to just be on at the right time to see me. All right, guys, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe. Let's get this money. Now it's time to do a few hundred push-ups. You Anderson, what's up, homie? What's good, man? Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Let's get this money. Doing good, man. Taking it easy. Taking it a day at a time, It's a good look. Yeah. Hey, David, how we doing? So tomorrow, yeah, man, we'll try to get that bar stable and do some muscle-ups tomorrow. So right now, we're going to try to hit 300 push-up, guys. Let's go. Yo, Anderson, what's up, though? How are you on the storm or hurricane? Is there any hurricane your way? Yeah. Come on, guys. We're doing at least 20,000 push-ups today, man. Come on. We're feeling it. It's a good feeling. Let's go, Anderson. Let's go, Caroline. Let's get it. Come on. We can do better. Come on. Gosh. Oh, yeah. We're doing 10,000 today. Working out all day today, man. We've got a long way to go. We're just getting started. Trust me. He said 4 hours in. Ah. Yeah, sometimes that's how the notification work, you know. Unfortunately, I don't know why. What sucks, you know. So you're not gonna see notification all the time. Smash that thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Let's get it. Let's keep working. How good are your cartwheels? What type of cartwheel? No spam, all right? No spam. Appreciate you all tapping in. No spam. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. David, what type of cartwheel, man? This guy is always talking in code, man. Telling you. Handstand push-up, yeah. All right, 75. We're doing at least 10,000 push-ups straight to the until dark. All right, let's get it. Whoa. Yeah, Anderson, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate you, man. Shout out W for Anderson, guys. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, appreciate that, David. Anderson, enough respect always. Enough respect, homie. Smash that thumbs up button, guys, and subscribe. And this is huge respect, man. Respect. $95. Just getting started, chat. What is cartwheel? I don't get it. What's cartwheel, man? You're gonna have to explain yourself, man. What's that? Yeah, Blaze, for real, for real, for real. David, come on. I'm all here. Just explain what you're talking about. Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about. No, yeah, I can actually do that. But right here, though, I got limited space to do that. Yeah, it's a good feeling. It's actually a good freestyle you're talking about, man. But the space is limited here for me to do that. It's got a limited space working with, you know. Wow, man. All right. I got no choice. Appreciate it, David. Everyone, I drop a W for David. Respect, respect. I don't got any space to work with, man. Ooh. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, man. David, come in again. Respect. I guess I got no choice. It's been years though, that's the thing. Wait, let me I think. Oh. Alright, so that's a warm up. That's a warm up. I haven't done this like ages, man. Dog is going doing good, man. Dog is having, you know, she's always up and down, running up and down, you know. The space is limited, bro. The space is intimidating. Trust me. I don't know. Space is too limited. David, not even let me know. Is that the trick you're talking about? Space is too limited, man. I know it's not a card wheel, but I'm. I want to know if it's similar to what you're talking. When you're talking like flick, something like this. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about, bro, but I have no idea. Oh, it's that? Okay. No, if I had the space, I would do that with like a non-arm front flip and stuff like that, bro. But Said 19. Yeah. You guys are funny, man. Hold on, who's counting? Cause I'm not counting. Who's counting? I hope you guys are counting. It's 19, right? One more. Say less. Wait, I didn't plug in phone. Really? Hey guys. Yeah, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you're new. If you guys want to request me to do a specific trick, hit that super chat. Yo, Anderson, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, DMX, definitely a huge fan. Ooh, interesting. It's just 74 minutes. Yeah. Balance. That's what you call art and craft of balance right there. Yeah. All right. Let's take a 20 seconds break. Yeah, DMX. Appreciate it. Smash a thumbs up button, guys. Let's get this money. All right, let's do a 100 push-up, guys. Let's go. Yeah, RIP DMX. Legend, man, legend, a real one, you know. Trust me, guys. You guys have no idea. If it was like 10 years ago, trust me, I'll be going crazy here. It's been a while, man. I used to do a lot of trick back in my, growing up. Dancing, freestyle, BMX stunts, you name it. Yeah. Yeah, guys. You guys will be surprised, man. I'm a Jamaican, but I listen to a wide range of music. Hip hop and dancehall definitely at the number one, you know. Yeah, hip hop, dancehall music. I love old and new pop music as well. It's all about the Benjamins, baby, back in the day. All about the Benjamins. That's one of my favorite. And the only one, you know, I think. What's up? Welcome, y'all. Subscribe if you're new. It's like Kilimanjaro. Like the sound system out here. Yeah, no, wait, Missing You. Yeah. Missing You is a hit, man. Big hit. I forgot that one. So all about the Benjamins and Missing You. Yeah. The one that he dedicated to Biggie Smalls, right? Yeah. Lily Kim got some good joint as well. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get money. All right, so let's continue from 60. Is it 60, 70? No, 60, right? Oh, 70, 70. Continue from 70, all right? Let's go. Oh, quick 100. Nicki Minaj music. Yeah, Nicki Minaj. Definitely one of the top. For real. For real, for real. But I'm mostly a fan of lyrical music, lyrical art, real lyrical, putting words together, real art. That's why I'm a huge fan of LL Cool J, J. Cole, Eminem, Tupac. I love some Biggie Smalls music as well. DMX, for sure. Tupac though, Tupac on a different level. Tupac, I can relate to a lot of Tupac music, you know. Can relate a lot to Tupac music for sure. Exactly. Tupac was way ahead of his time. Tupac, to me, the two greats, Eminem and Tupac. Eminem and Tupac for me. LL Cool J is a genius as well. LL Cool J, big genius. J. Cole, big genius. Kendrick Lamar. Ah! Let's get it. Smash that thumbs up and subscribe. Jack Ripper. Yo, what's up? Welcome. Yeah, and this I'm telling you, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, for real, man. Music is life, man. I love music, man. Love music, you know, music, especially, you know, real music. That you know, like some upliftment music. You know, when you need that upliftment, you know, we need that positive lyrics. You're going through a hard time, and you need that extra boost. Some music, or when you need some extra adrenaline, or when you need some guidance going through a, let's say, evil or dark time, like some, temptation to do, you know, wicked stuff. You know, music is powerful, man. Yeah, man, music is powerful. So I would suggest if you guys don't listen to, I don't know, don't listen to reggae music or never really hear about reggae music, I recommend you go check out reggae music, listen. And trust me, you're gonna fall in love with that, man. Water is low, chat. Beast mode. All right, let's get 50 more pull-ups. Let's go. Swooch. Hello, welcome. All right. Any special requests? You guys give me a number. First set. I remember we've been working out now for over 2 hours, almost at least, almost 2 hours. So, give me a number between 19 and 10, or 19 and 13 for the first set pull-ups. Come on, guys, give me a number between 19 and 10 for the first set pull-up. Remember, we've been almost 2 hours now since we're working out, so careful with the selection. A number between I said between 19 and 13. Been working out now for almost 2 hours, man. Oh, you're gonna give me 20 for the first set, really? $15? All right. Anderson, I appreciate the push, man. So let's see if we can do the 20. We can do the 20. If we do the 15 easy, we're just gonna finish up with the 20. All right. So let's get it. Not what I expect. Aha. Probably surprised, eh? Yeah. That's what, 20, 23, 20, 22? Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't mind becoming a Olympic athlete. Yeah, track. I was always a big fan of track and field. I'm not gonna lie. Back in high school, I used to even though we used to mostly play football, we used to do a lot of training about track and field slash football. So I wouldn't mind. Trust me. All right, guys, let's get it. So we're doing 50. That's 22 already. All right, let's keep working. $28 more to go. Come on. 28 more for 100.
You. 32.
That's in all, that's 80, 82 in all, total.
Remember 50 before and
No, 32. That's why. All right. Let's keep working.
$39.
$39. Let's get it. $45 in all. That's 95 in all. Yeah.
Let's get it, man. Been working now for almost.
It's almost 2 hours now.
When you're working, you don't
Really, it's not good to watch the time. Let's try to put in the work consistently, you know? It's not about the numbers, man.
all the time.
Yeah. Gonna eat for dinner. Definitely got some rice and peas and chicken that we're gonna eat. We burn a lot of calories have to build back some, right? Avocado. Damn, bro, I got no avocado right now, man. I would love some avocado right now. No joke. No joke. With some rice and peas and chicken. Yeah, so as I said before, guys, you know, we cut down from, I don't know if you guys can see, man, I lost a lot of pounds, man. Cut down, I used to eat 5 to 4 meals a day, and now we eating like 2 and sometimes 1 meal a day, you know? Yeah. Avocado today? Oh, nice, nice. Oh, he said blue waffle. Yeah, I think so so far, David. I think so. So far. But sometimes I don't really like to, you know, like to keep them confidential. Yeah. How am I gonna do that now? How am I gonna do that, man? I mean, I'm interested, but how am I gonna do that? Oh, all right. So finish it up. Maybe put that meal to warm up and go down to the office area. Just chilling inside. Not right now, David. I don't got David. You already know certain things already, right? So I don't think I'm gonna have to explain to you, man. But all right. What I can do, David? I can warm up. I can warm up some meal there. Put in the microwave, warm up, and go to to the office area and just kick it back for a while. What do you think about that? Oh, the hurricane. The hurricane was Hurricane Beryl. Beryl. Is it Beryl? That sounds chill. All right, David. Yeah. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do then. All right. All right. So give me a few. Yo, just keep getting better and better, man. I'm telling you. All right. So I got the food warming up on the microwave. I'm just gonna keep keep putting in the work. Keep active for now. Nature is beauty. It is. Let's get this, man.
to get this money. Yep. Hey, Farrell Matthew. It's good. Just joining us, this is over 90 pound. Yeah. Find it a struggle for the first 5 minutes when waking up. For real, man. I'm a late. I always go to bed late, so I definitely always have time. I struggle getting up. David, I hope you're gonna be active, man, because you're giving me a milestone or a challenge. I really or that push. So I hope hopefully you're gonna stick around then. Keep busy. All right, keep it busy. Just want to make sure. Yeah. Prison and marine training. So these type of training, if you can pull them off, it's definitely a show of fitness. Just like the marine fitness test. Oh, really? What's my name? Bro, that song right there, whenever I hear that, the energy, the adrenaline and the energy that I get is insane. I'm telling you. It just get me active, you know? Yeah, so I love that song right there, man. But ever since I've been streaming, hello from France, Raven, welcome, welcome. You know, I've been focused though, you know. Normally I would work out with music playing in the background or earpiece, but while I'm streaming, I try to just show you guys that it's all about focus. All right, give me 1 second, all right? I'll be right back. Appreciate that, man. All right, guys, so it's time for a meet. So, all right, so I'll catch you guys another one later on. All right, I remember that so the network is gonna disconnect because I'm not using the data on my phone. So yeah, man, I'll catch you on another one. All right, peace out, stay safe, appreciate you all. All right, so you guys heard that, right? Peace out. I don't know if you guys hear that.